We're going to start our classic hurricane, and this is an easy one. There's 4 ingredients, and they're all in a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, the first one is 2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. Whew, almost had an accident there. We're going to follow it up with 2 ounces of lemon juice. Two ounces of white rum. 2 ounces of dark rum. Go ahead and add some ice. And we're going to shake that up for about 10 seconds. Okay, here we have our hurricane glass filled with ice. And we're going to go ahead and take our mixed hurricane and go ahead and strain that in. Garnish that with some orange slice and a cherry. Throw in our straw, and that one's done. Now we're going to go ahead and make our modern New Orleans version, Pat O'Brien style. Start with 2 ounces of white rum. 2 ounces of dark rum. 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. 1 ounce of orange juice. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And 1/2 ounce of grenadine. Okay, now we'll go ahead and shake that up for about 10 seconds. And we'll pour that into our glass. Strain that one in. And I'll garnish that one with just a cherry so we can tell the difference. Okay, here we have our ingredients for our painkiller. We're going to use 2 ounces of Husser's rum, 4 ounces of pineapple juice, 1 ounce orange juice, 1 ounce cream of coconut. Then we're going to top that with a little bit of nutmeg on top. Now, a lot of people do like to use freshly ground nutmeg. That's what the ideal recipe is. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any fresh nutmeg to grind, so we just have the already pre-ground nutmeg here. Okay, we're going to start here by adding our rum first. So first 2 ounces of rum. Next we have our pineapple juice, so we'll go 4 ounces of pineapple juice. One ounce of orange juice here. And 1 ounce of cream of coconut. Now I am using Coco Lopez cream of coconut this time, but sometimes you can't find cream of Coco Lopez, so you can always make homemade cream of coconut. And I actually have a recipe for that on my channel here, so you can go ahead and look for that recipe. I'll go ahead and post the link there as well, for you can go ahead and find that link to make your homemade cream of coconut. Now once all those ingredients are in our shaker, we want to go ahead and shake this vigorously. Get everything all mixed up in there. Okay. Okay, now we have that all shaken up. We're going to go ahead and pour that over a glass of ice. A little bit of nutmeg on the top. And lastly, the Putzer's website recommends that you put in a cherry and a little bit of orange slice. And now, the moment of truth. Oh, refreshing, so good, just like I had on the Virgin Islands. This is great. This will soon become your favorite drink as well. Now, I want to thank you for joining us today in My Low Country Living as we made painkillers. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did, then don't forget to hit the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more recipes like this one. Thanks.